Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to it. So as you can see, the canvas, I'm starting off with primarily black, but I've put some red on there. Done the same sort of thing before, just kind of randomly blobbed on black and red, and then just smeared it across the canvas. It started out with far more red, but the black is just so overpowering that it looks like it's mostly black. But that's alright. Today we're doing a string pull. I'm going to be using purple, pink was the last of the bottle, and orange. In the black and red, it was just straight paint on there. I didn't add anything. In the purple, pink, and orange, I did add PVA glue and water, as always, but otherwise that's it. And I've got the string all set up on this plate here. What I'm going to do, excuse me, is just pour the paint all over the string, because I want the different colors all over it, not just one string, one color. And so I'll go ahead and start doing that. Just fairly randomly. But I do want to make sure I get full coverage, of course. And doing a string pull today just because it feels like I haven't done one in a while and I like doing them, so that's why I'm doing it. And again, just randomly dumping that paint in there all over the place. As long as I get full coverage on the strings, or yarn, I guess, might be more appropriate to say. That's all that matters. Right, that actually should probably be enough. I'll just take one of the popsicle sticks and just make sure I get the full coverage and that soaks in good. All right. So as I said, I've got three. Actually, I don't remember if I said that or not. Well, anyway, I've got three strings. One of which is a little longer, which is going to go right down the middle. And then I've got two on each side. We'll see how that goes. And so let's see if I can pull that out without interrupting the other two. Actually, I'll just use the popsicle stick and gravity and just scrape off a tiny bit of that paint. There we are. So let's get that on there. Oh, got some drips there. We'll catch that, but I'm trying not to drip too much. That's alright. Alright, so there goes the middle. And let's get a short one on each end. Alright. That's one, and we'll go for the third one here. And again, just using the popsicle stick and gravity just to clear off a little bit of that paint. Just a tiny bit. Don't want to get rid of much. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start with the middle one. It's been sitting there the longest. And we'll see just what we get here. just slowly pulling this one straight down. Now the other two I think we'll do a little bit differently, but this is just going straight down. All right, first one's down. And let's do this one. It's been sitting here the second longest. I'm just going to move this one around a little bit more. Not just the old straight down. All right. Let's get number 3. I think we'll just go back altogether. All right, and that's number 3. Let's see, actually, I think I'm going to touch that up just on this end, just a tiny bit. Throw that string on there. A tiny bit more paint. There we are. All right. All right, so I'm liking how that's looking. Where I didn't add any sort of crazy additives, you know, we're not going to get any cell formation, so I don't have to wait around for that. So that is going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It would be greatly appreciated. Go ahead and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see all you wonderful people next time.